Hello guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to make transparent liquid soap. Please freeze the video so you can write down the recipe. Start by measuring out all your ingredients. I have 6 liters of water here. I have my salt, 400 grams of salt. I have my SLS rice here. We'll start by mixing our 125 grams of SLS rice inside our 6 liters of water. Mix everything in, dissolve everything all at once. Now this could take you about 5 to 6 minutes to dissolve. Don't be in a rush. Take your time and dissolve it in the water. Like I said, we are making transparent soap. If you want to learn soap making for just 8,000 naira, which is about $5, comment join and I will send you the link to register right away. If you want to learn detergent powder, hot process and cold process of laundry bar soap, you want to learn how you can edit your video professionally, how you can create beautiful graphic design for just 8,000 naira, which is $5, comment join and I will send you the link to register right away. Now, you and I know that to learn soap making is way more than 8,000 naira. It is way more than $5. It's like me giving you this for free. But we are running promo, which is going to be ending soon. Come and join, and you can enroll to join our community. I'll see you guys in class. SLS takes time, takes time to dissolve. You just have to be patient. Okay, now as you can see, our SLS is fully dissolved. All right, so what we are going to do now is we are going to start by, we'll get another bowl and then we'll start to mix the rest of our ingredients in another bowl. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and measure out my 500 grams of texapon into my bucket. Okay. Texapon is also known as SLES. If you are in Canada, you are in UK, in US, you might not really see texapon when you are trying to get it from chemical store. So what you should be looking for is SLES. Okay, that's 500. We are good. Now I have my 500 grams of texapon. All right. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and add my 400 grams of salt into my texapon. Now this is my texapon. Now gradually add 400 grams of salt into the texapon. So this is texapon and salt. 500 grams of texapon, 400 grams of salt. That is what I'm mixing together right now in a separate bowl. Now the salt in this production is serving as preservative and is also serving as a thickener. So salt is for our preservative in this production and also our thickener. Okay, once fully dissolved, then gradually and gently add your SLS liquid into this bowl where you have your texapon and salt mixed together. Now please do this gradually and gently. Don't dump everything in all at once. Once you start pouring it in, you will see that your mixture is dissolving. To be dissolving and getting thicker. Don't be in a rush, just gradually mix it in. So you are pouring it in, you are mixing. Now you would not see the transparency right now, because your soap is cloudy, you know, and then you have all of this foam on top of it. So just let it sit for about 3 to 4 hours, and then come back and check on it. Then you will see the transparency. But right now you are not going to see the transparency, just because of the cloudiness and the foam on top of your soap. Just keep pouring. Almost there. Now remember, this is not ordinary water. This is your SLS water. All right. Mix everything together and then allow it sit for 3 to 4 hours. Alright guys, I'll be back in 3 to 4 hours to show you the outcome and the transparency of this liquid soap. Okay, once you see that your soap is too thick, just add more water. Now be mindful of how much water you are adding, just so you are not adding too much of water. All right, so with this thickness, I think I'm good. Now this is what I have. Of the Valley perfume. You can use any perfume of your choice. I'm just going to be using two cups of Lily of the Valley, and I'm fine. If you don't have a very strong perfume, you can use up to 20 ml of perfume or fragrance. Once you add your fragrance, mix very well and leave it for about 3 to 4 hours for your soap to settle. And yeah, now I hope you can see this. Now if you feel like this is too thick, all you have to do is to add more water until you get the thickness that you want. Now we are not seeing the transparency now because of the cloudiness and the bubble. So I'm just going to leave it again, like I said, for 3 to 4 hours, and then I'll be back and then I will show you guys. But for now, this is what we have. All right, guys, so this is our transparent soap. This is after overnight. So I'm gonna pour it here just to show you guys, because the bucket is not transparent. As you can see, the bucket is black, but I wanted you to see how transparent it is looking. So I'm putting it in this bowl so you can see. Now I believe you can see. Can you see my hand? You can see my glove, the color of my glove on there. And if I put this inside of it, okay, hold on, let me put the phone in a way that you can see. Now I believe you can see even the spoon down, like you can see the color of the spoon. Okay, so for the sake of the video, I'm just going to add some color into this one. Just a drop of color. Now, when you're using color, please use water-based color. This is a water-based color that I'm adding. Don't use oil color. This is a water-based color. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying this soon. I love you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.